Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on Telegram on your PC, step by step. This is a really useful privacy setting if you want to use Telegram without everyone seeing when you were last active, or whether you're currently online. It only takes a few seconds, and once you set it up, your account will be much more private. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the hamburger menu, which is the three-line icon. This menu gives you access to your account settings and privacy controls. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see several options for customizing your Telegram experience. What we want here is your Privacy section, so click on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram lets you control who can see your personal information, including your last seen time and online status. Now find and click on Last Seen and Online. This section controls the visibility of your activity status. Under the option that says Who can see your last seen time, select Nobody. Choosing Nobody will hide your last seen information from other people on Telegram, which is the key step if you want to stay more private. After that, click Save to apply the change, and that's it. Your Telegram online status is now hidden, and your privacy settings have been updated. This is one of the easiest ways to take control of your visibility on Telegram, especially if you prefer to message without being watched online. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app guides and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.